Hi there, I'm curious. How do you feel about PowerPoint? What about Google Slides? What about Apple Keynote? Or Prezi? PowerPoint has been around the longest of all the presentation tools. It was released in 1987. This image shows the original splash page for PowerPoint from the very first version in 1987. It is the most ubiquitous of presentation tools out there and extremely well known worldwide. Don't get me wrong, these are great tools, but I want to show you an alternative. Adobe has a tool called Spark that might pique your interest if you are looking for a more dynamic way to give presentations. In fact, what I was using to show you these icons was using Adobe Spark. We'll come back to the website in a little bit. Let's take a look at some examples of Spark pages. This first one uses Spark to create an image with a quote on it. This quote comes from the book To Kill a Mockingbird. This next Spark page is for an educational portfolio. Notice how the content on the page sort of glides as you scroll. There is a lot of scrolling down the page for users, but at the same time the graphics and movement of text keeps your attention. Here's how to get started. Go to the Spark website and log in with your credentials. You can create all sorts of things like Instagram stories and posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, presentations, slideshows, etc. When I click on View All, you can see that there are a number of templates already created for your use. Let's create a very simple presentation. First thing is pick a theme. A theme is essentially a template for your presentation. Don't worry, you can change it or modify it as you go. Let's add a title and a subtitle. I'm going to scroll down now and I'm going to add some additional information here. What I want to add next are some photos of snails and frog legs. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Photo and then Upload Photo, and I'm going to select a couple images that I already have. Snail. I can also add a caption, and I'll add another image. As you can see, I can add photos, I can add additional text, I can add interactive buttons, videos, and different photo layouts. Here's how I can preview what I just created. I click on the preview button, and here is my presentation. Adobe Spark is pretty easy to use. Give it a try and let us know what you think.